Hey guys, welcome back to CET Campus. Today I am meeting you with another important lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about pronouns. Okay, without further delay, let's go to our lesson. A pronoun is a word that is commonly used as a substitute for a noun. ප්‍රෝනවුන් එකක් කියන්නේ නවුන් එකක් සඳහා ආදේශකයක් ලෙස භාවිතා වන පදයක්. Okay, let's see list of pronouns with examples now. Types of pronouns. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, reflexive pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. Let's see examples now. Subject pronoun I, its object pronoun me, its reflexive pronoun myself, its possessive adjective my, its possessive pronoun mine, subject pronoun we, its object pronoun us, its reflexive pronoun ourselves, its possessive adjective our, its possessive pronoun ours, subject pronoun they, its object pronoun them, its reflexive pronoun themselves, its possessive adjective their, its possessive pronoun theirs, subject pronoun you, its object pronoun you, its reflexive pronoun yourselves, its possessive adjective your, its possessive pronoun yours, subject pronoun he, its object pronoun him, its reflexive pronoun himself, its possessive adjective his, its possessive pronoun his, subject pronoun she, its object pronoun her, its reflexive pronoun herself, its possessive adjective her, its possessive pronoun hers, subject pronoun it, its object pronoun it, its reflexive pronoun itself, its possessive adjective its possessive pronoun its, subject pronoun නිමල්, its object pronoun නිමල්, its reflexive pronoun himself, its possessive adjective නිමල්ස්, its possessive pronoun නිමල්ස්. Let's get some examples for subject pronouns. I am happy. I am happy. මම සතුටින්. We are friendly. We are friendly. අපි මිත්‍රශීලී. You are lucky. You are lucky. ඔබ වාසනාවන්තයි. They are proud. They are proud. ඔවුන් ආඩම්බරයි. She is educated. She is educated. ඇය උගත්. He is intelligent. He is intelligent. ඔහු බුද්ධිමත්. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. ඒක ලස්සනයි. Let's go to examples now for object pronouns. They like me. They like me. ඔවුන් මට කැමති. I love you. I love you. මම ඔයාට ආදරේ. You cheat her. You cheat her. ඔබ ඇයව රවට්ටනවා. We admire him. We admire him. අපි ඔහුව අගය කරනවා. We feed it. We feed it. අපි ඌට කවනවා. They promise us. They promise us. ඔවුන් අපට පොරොන්දු වෙනවා. We don't like them. We don't like them. අපි ඔවුන්ට කැමති නෑ. We like නිමල්. We like නිමල්. අපි නිමල්ට කැමති. Now let's see some examples for possessive adjectives. This is my opinion. This is my opinion. මෙය මගේ මතයයි. That is your way. That is your way. එය ඔබේ ක්‍රමයයි. You like his qualities. You like his qualities. ඔබ ඔහුගේ ගතිගුණ වලට කැමති. This is her design. This is her design. මේ ඇයගේ නිර්මාණයයි. This is its chick. This is its chick. මේ උගේ පැටියා. This is their job. This is their job. මේ ඔවුන්ගේ කාර්යයි. That is our viewpoint. That is our viewpoint. එය අපගේ දෘෂ්ටිකෝණයයි. That is Nimal's vision. That is Nimal's vision. එය නිමල්ගේ දැක්මයි. Now examples for possessive pronouns. This phone is mine. This phone is mine. මේ ෆෝන් එක මගේ. That property is yours. That property is yours. ඒ දේපල ඔබගේ. This present is yours. This present is yours. මේ තෑග්ග ඔයාගේ. This child is theirs. This child is theirs. මේ ළමයා ඔවුන්ගේ. This girl is his. This girl is his. මේ කෙල්ල ඔහුගේ. This boy is hers. This boy is hers. මේ කොල්ලා ඇයගේ. This chick is its. This chick is its. මේ පැටවා උගේ. This house is Nimal's. This house is Nimal's. මේ නිවස නිමල්ගේ. Okay, now let's go to examples for reflexive pronouns. I myself went. I myself went. මමම ගියා. We ourselves came. We ourselves came. අපිම ආවා. You yourself came and you yourself go. You yourself came and you yourself go. ඔයාම පැමිණ ඔයාම යන්න. They themselves visit us. They themselves visit us. ඔවුන්ම අපව බලන්න එනවා. He himself called me. He himself called me. ඔහුම මට කතා කළා. Nimal himself invited me. Nimal himself invited me. නිමල්ම මට ආරාධනා කළා. She herself met me. She herself met me. ඇයම මාව හමු වුණා. Let's learn the word on. My. My කියන්නේ මගේ. My own. My own කියන්නේ මගේම. Let's see some examples now. This is my own creation. This is my own creation. මේක මගේම නිර්මාණයක්. That is his own essay. That is his own essay. එය ඔහුගේම රචනාවක්. That is her own decision. That is her own decision. එය ඇයගේම තීරණයක්. This is their own choice. This is their own choice. මෙය ඔවුන්ගේම තෝරා ගැනීමක්. Is this your own car? Is this your own car? මේක ඔයාගේම කාර් එකද? This is its own chick. This is its own chick. මේ උගේම පැටියා. That is Nimal's own business. That is Nimal's own business. එය නිමල්ගේම ව්‍යාපාරයක්. We have our own vehicles. We have our own vehicles. අපිට අපේම වාහන තියෙනවා. Okay, I hope you all understood this whole lesson well. Now try to make your own sentences. Please do not forget to subscribe our CET Campus channel. Thank you guys for watching this lesson and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.